Welcome to the Deep Dive. We cut through the noise to get you the insights you need.
Great to be here.
Today, we're digging into something loads of us use everyday banking apps. Specifically, the Absa banking app.
Yeah, it's become such a central part of managing money for so many people.
Exactly. So our mission today is to really unpack it, not just list features, but understand, the core stuff, the security, how safe is your money, and maybe some of the cooler things it does.
Things beyond just basic banking.
Right. And we're basing this all on the official Absa banking app, features and benefits info. We want to give you a really clear picture.
Straight from the source.
So think about this. How much of your financial life can actually fit in your pocket now?
It's kind of amazing when you stop to consider it.
We're going to explore how this app aims for, 24/7 banking control. Okay, let's get into it.
Let's do it.
So first things first, let's talk fundamentals. What are the absolute basics, the must-haves that an app like Absa's needs to handle day to day?
That's the right place to start. Because fundamentally, the Absa app is all about making banking convenient and, crucially, secure. On your phone, anytime.
Giving you that round-the-clock access.
Exactly. It shifts banking away from the branch and, puts it right in your hand. The absolute bedrock is account access.
Getting your money.
Yeah, seeing everything, all your Absa accounts, balances, transaction history, everything, instantly. It's about transparency, seeing where every rand goes.
Makes sense.
Then, obviously, moving money. That's essential. So transferring funds is designed to be really smooth.
Between your own accounts.
Yep, between your own to other people with Absa accounts and, importantly, to other banks, too. Making that flow easy is critical.
Right. No friction there.
And then there's the everyday stuff, paying bills, utilities, that kind of thing. Buying prepaid electricity, airtime, data.
For yourself or someone else.
For yourself or others, yeah. Super straightforward. The documentation really stresses making these daily tasks feel, effortless.
That convenience definitely saves time. Just not having to queue.
Absolutely. But it goes beyond just paying bills or basic transfers. What about moving money around in more practical ways, especially when you're out and about?
Good point. Like, what else is there?
Well, take Cash Send. That's pretty useful. It lets you pull cash from any Absa ATM without your card.
Okay. So if you forget your wallet.
Exactly. Or in an emergency. It adds a layer of flexibility that, older banking methods just don't have. The docs highlight how it smooths things out in those urgent, card-free moments.
That sounds genuinely useful.
And then there's getting documents. Need a bank statement or proof of payment. You can get stamped versions right from the app.
Stamped ones, directly.
Yep, directly. No need to go into a branch or wait for emails. Big time saver.
Okay, those are some solid practical tools. But what about managing the bigger picture? Not just day-to-day stuff, but overall financial health.
Right. A good app needs to do more than just transactions, and the Absa app does aim for that broader financial well-being.
Oh.
So take credit management. You can view your credit card statements, sure, make payments, obviously, but it also integrates tools like the Absa Credit Coach.
Credit Coach, what does that do?
It helps you actively monitor your credit score and not just see the number, but it gives you tips on how to improve it. It makes it interactive.
So it's personalized advice.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
Actionable steps. The documentation points this out as key, empowering you proactively, not just showing a static score. That's quite compelling.
Okay, that's interesting. What else?
And if you deal with international stuff, there's foreign exchange. You can handle transactions in the app.
Right.
And even arrange to have foreign currency delivered to your door, which is pretty convenient. Definitely stands out.
Wow, okay. Home delivery for currency.
So putting it all together, it's not just a list of features. It's aiming for holistic control, moving way beyond just simple transactions into proper financial management.
Giving you that full view and control.
Exactly. Your whole financial landscape managed from the app.
That sounds really powerful. But it also brings up the big S word, security. With all that power and data in one place, how does the Absa app lock things down? How does it protect your money? This is where it gets really interesting.
Yeah, security is absolutely critical, non-negotiable. The documentation shows a multi-layered approach.
Okay, like what?
Well, for logging in, you've got biometrics, facial recognition, fingerprint. Standard now, but crucial. Makes it much harder for someone else to get in.
More secure than just a password.
Definitely. Then, for transactions, there's an approval step. You get to actively approve or reject things happening on your account. That puts you in control.
So an extra check.
Right. And what's quite significant is that Absa offers a free digital fraud warranty.
Free? What does that cover?
It provides added protections specifically for digital transactions done on the app. The docs make a point of calling it a free warranty, which shows Absa's confidence in their security. That's a big differentiator, gives you real peace of mind.
That warranty sounds reassuring. And the biometrics and approvals seem solid. But what about the physical card? That's still a worry for people, right? Losing it, getting it stolen.
Oh, absolutely. It's a common fear, and the app tackles that directly with some strong card management tools.
Like what, if I just misplace my card?
Okay, so if you think you've just misplaced it, you can hit the temporary lock button in the app instantly.
And what does that do?
It blocks point of sale or online use immediately, buys you time to look for it without worrying someone's using it.
Okay, that's smart. And if it's actually lost or stolen?
Then you can just as quickly stop the card permanently and order a replacement right there in the app. No need for frantic phone calls or branch visits.
That immediate self-service is key. Reduces the stress and the fraud risk window.
Precisely. The sources emphasize that immediate control.
That's very reassuring. Now, you mentioned layers of security.
Yeah.
Is there anything particularly innovative, maybe something tackling newer threats?
Yes, actually. This is quite fascinating. The app uses secure in-app verification messages.
Secure in-app messages. Yeah. How's that different from, say, an SMS code?
It's a huge difference, especially when it comes to fighting SIM swap fraud. Think about it. An SMS goes to your phone number. If a fraudster manages to swap your SIM, they get the verification code.
Right. I see the problem.
But with secure in-app verification, the message stays inside the secure app environment, the one you logged into with your fingerprint or face. It doesn't rely on that external SMS link, which can be hijacked.
So it bypasses the SIM swap vulnerability entirely.
Essentially, yes. It keeps the verification within that protected space. It really makes you think, doesn't it? How much do we consider the tech working behind the scenes to protect us, and how it's constantly evolving against new threats?
That's a really important point. Okay, so we've covered core banking, practical tools, and robust security. Let's switch gears a bit. What about the smart features, the things that make the app stand out, maybe blend banking with, I don't know, lifestyle?
Yeah, this is where it moves beyond just being a bank in your pocket. They've added features aiming to make it more of a digital hub. Well, there's Abby, the virtual assistant. You can ask it questions, get help navigating the app, like having a little guide built in.
Okay, AI assistants.
What else? Payments get an upgrade too. Tap to pay using your phone for contactless payments. Pretty standard now, but convenient.
Just tap your phone like a card.
Exactly. And then there's PayShap for person-to-person payments.
PayShap.
Yeah, it's Absa's system for instant payments. You can send money super fast using just someone's cell number, even if they bank somewhere else. Makes paying friends back or splitting costs really easy.
Instant payments are definitely useful. No more waiting days for money to clear.
Right. The documentation really positions these as modernizing how we pay.
Okay, modern payments are great, but what about old frustrations, like dodgy debit orders going off your account? That drives people crazy.
Oh, tell me about it. That's a huge pain point. And the app actually tackles this head on. How? It gives you the power to reverse unauthorized debit orders directly from the app.
You can just reverse it yourself.
Yes. If you see one you don't recognize or didn't agree to, you can initiate the reversal right there. It puts the control back in your hands, fast, no waiting on hold or filling out forms initially. The sources frame this as real user empowerment.
Wow, that alone could be worth getting the app for some people.
Right.
Okay, any other surprising features, things you wouldn't necessarily expect in a banking app?
There are a couple of, let's say, lifestyle integrations that are quite unique.
Go on.
You can actually play the Lotto and Powerball directly on the app.
Get out. Really? Lotto tickets on your banking app?
Yep. Definitely not your traditional banking feature, but adds a bit of everyday convenience, maybe even fun for those who play.
Huh. Okay. Didn't see that coming. Anything else?
And if you're an Absa Rewards member, the app is your hub for that. You can manage your points, see how to earn cash back at partner stores, and redeem rewards.
So it integrates the loyalty program tightly.
Exactly. Makes it easy to track and use those benefits as part of your daily banking. So, yeah, if you look at all these things together, the assistant, the instant pay, reversing debit orders, even Lotto and rewards.
That's more than just banking.
It really is. The source material suggests a clear strategy. Make the app a comprehensive digital hub, not just for finance, but integrating parts of your daily life, entertainment, loyalty, making it indispensable.
Okay, it definitely sounds like a powerful, multifaceted tool. So for someone listening who's thinking, right, I want this, How easy is it to actually get started?
It's designed to be pretty straightforward, the usual process, really.
Step 1.
Download the app, Google Play Store for Android, Apple App Store for iOS. Simple enough.
Okay, got the app, then what?
Then you'll need to register for digital banking. This usually means linking your account securely. You'll likely need your ID number and your bank account details handy.
Standard verification stuff.
Exactly. And the final, really important step is setting up your secure login. That means creating a passcode and definitely enabling biometrics, fingerprint, or Face ID.
For that easy and secure access.
Right. The whole process is meant to be smooth, get you up and running, managing your money quickly and safely.
It's pretty amazing, isn't it, how accessible these powerful tools have become?
Yes.
So much control right there at your fingertips.
From the basics to self-service options to, even those unexpected lifestyle bits, it really aims to be a complete financial companion.
Well, that wraps up another deep dive. We've covered a lot of ground today on the Absa banking app.
We really did, from core banking through those crucial security layers.
Especially those secure in-app messages. That was interesting.
Definitely. And onto the innovative stuff like Abby, PayShap, even Lotto and rewards. It's clear Absa wants this app to be central to your digital life.
Absolutely.
And, it makes you wonder, as these apps pack in more and more managing credit, paying instantly, sorting rewards, even entertainment, what does that mean for the future? How will you interact with your money down the line? What new possibilities open up when everything converges like this?
That's a great question to leave things on. What does that convergence mean for us? Definitely food for thought.
Indeed. The digital landscape is always shifting.
A powerful look at where digital finance is heading. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the Absa banking app.
My pleasure.
We hope you found it insightful. Keep exploring the world of digital finance. It's certainly not standing still. Until next time.